Samsung is rumored to announce the Galaxy S24 series on 17 January 2024. But as usual, most of the specifications of the upcoming high-end device S24 Ultra have leaked already, along with their possible design. A real-life image of the Galaxy S24 Ultra was also leaked recently. Now, we have a leaked potential image of the S Pen for the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to my smart price, the S Pen stylus for the Galaxy S24 Ultra has successfully passed the FCC certification process in the US, offering a glimpse into its design and specifications. Identified with the model number EJPS 928 and FCC ID A3 EJPS 928. The device's design was also revealed in FCC's documents, showcasing a design similar to the S Pen that came bundled with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, featuring a pointed but plastic-like nib, a top indent, and a functional button. The FCC documentation unveils a design resembling the previous S Pen model, showcasing Bluetooth LE connectivity for seamless gesture control. Detailed in the FCC's image, the S Pen's Bluetooth LE antenna location is highlighted, while the image depicts the S Pen in a grey/graphite hue, expected to be available in many colors. As outlined in FCC documents, the S Pen operates within a frequency range of 2402 to 2408 MHz, emitting a maximum radio frequency output power of 1.082 megawatts. Additional details are available in the accompanying images. You can pause to watch it. However, confirmation regarding the S Pen's IP68 rating for dust and water resistance remain unclear. The famous tech insider Ice Universe has revealed that the default wallpaper of Galaxy S24 Ultra has been changed to a new style that is polyhedral gemstones. Undoubtedly, the wallpaper does look great. Moving on to the specifications, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, boasting an almost flat display design. Reports suggest it will house the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, offering configurations with 8GB and 12GB RAM, up to 1TB storage, and a robust 5000 MHz battery with fast and reverse charging capabilities, accompanied by stereo speakers. Camera enthusiasts can anticipate a powerhouse setup with a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, complemented by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel front-facing selfie camera. An intriguing feature possibly on the horizon is two-way satellite connectivity for emergency texting and calling, similar to Apple's SOS satellite feature. We're eager to hear your thoughts on the S Pen's design and the captivating new default wallpaper for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Share your opinions in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.